All right, let's talk about VA joint loans and what they are and are not. So a VA joint loan is essentially when a veteran is going on a mortgage loan using their VA entitlement with someone who either has another VA set of entitlement where they can have split entitlement and get zero down financing, or what can happen as well is a veteran can go on loan with a non-veteran, but the non-veteran has to bring a down payment. Now, in cases like this where there's two borrowers, the non-veteran has to bring a down payment of 12.5%, and the veteran gets their portion covered by the VA benefit. So that's your standard joint loan. Now, there can be multiple borrowers on the same VA loan, but each respective borrower that is a non-veteran does have to bring a down payment. So if you're considering buying a house with someone without VA entitlement and you're the veteran, just know that they are going to have to bring some money to the table, but do get the benefits of having the VA loan, meaning that there will not be any PMI and there will not be a higher interest rate like with a conventional loan. So they're going to get those two main benefits. So if you are in this situation or you're thinking about the situation, there is some pros and cons. Like do they have the money or do they not? But if two veterans who are even unmarried, let's just say two friends or two whatever who go into a loan together, but you split entitlement, that is something that absolutely can be done with the joint loan process. So if you want to use the VA entitlement and run into those scenarios, not all lenders do them, but fortunately I work with numerous lenders who do. As a broker, I can put you through them for the underwriting process and get your loan closed. So keep in mind, VA joint loans are out there. They are available, and they can be a great product depending on your specific circumstance and cash flow scenario and all those wonderful things. So if you have any questions, please drop a comment below, and if you can do me a solid, like and subscribe, really appreciate it. Have a great day.